Welcome to Math Tutor Hub. Today we'll be solving two-step equations, and we'll go over a few examples with those equations. Okay, so solving two-step equations. Two-step equations are the foundation of algebra, and you'll use these skills in more advanced math. A two-step equation is an equation that requires two operations to solve for the variable, just like this example shown. Okay, so we'll talk about a few steps to solve these equations. First step is to undo the addition or subtraction first. Second step, to undo multiplication or division next. And our final step is check your answer by plugging back into the equation. So let's practice a few examples. Our first example shown is 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. To solve for this, we'll start out by writing our equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. Now, following our first step, we are going to try to undo the addition, so this plus 5 here. Our first step is going to be subtracting 5. Since we are adding 5 on our left-hand side, we'll be subtracting 5 to remove that addition. So we'll write 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 11. And there's a rule. What we do on one side, we have to do to the other side. So we'll write minus 5 on this side. When we add and subtract that 5, it does cancel out. So we're left with 2x is equal to 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, now we're left with 2x is equal to 6. Our second step says undo multiplication or division next. So we have 2 times x is equal to 6. To get rid of that 2 coefficient, we're going to divide by 2. And what we do on one side, we do to the other side. 2x divided by 2, so this is going to cancel. We are left with x is equal to 6 divided by 2, which gives us x is equal to 3. And that's our answer. Our third step mentions to check your answer by plugging back into the equation. Doing this, we're going to plug x equals 3 into our original equation. So, we take our original equation here. We're going to write 2. We'll plug in that 3 for x. 2 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 11. So we'll do the multiplication first. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 5 is equal to 11. 6 plus 5 is 11 is equal to 11. So we know that is correct. Okay, our second example. We have 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. So we'll write out our equation. 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, our first step is going to be, like mentioned above, undo addition or subtraction first. So we have a minus 4 on this left side. So the opposite is plus 4. So we're going to do 3x minus 4 plus 4. And what we do on one side, we have to do to the other side. So we're going to write 11 plus 4. So on our left-hand side, we have minus 4 plus 4. That does cancel out to 0, so we can cancel those out. And we're left with 3x is equal to 15. Okay, our next step is getting rid of that multiplication. So we have 3x is equal to 15. So to get that x all by itself, 3 is being multiplied with x, so we have to divide by 3. And what we do on one side, we do to the other side. These 3's cancel out. X is equal to 15 divided by 3, which is 5. And that's our answer. Okay, going back, our third step says check your answer by plugging back into the equation. So what we can do next is taking that x is equal to 5, plugging it back into our original equation. So we have 3 times 5 minus 4 is equal to 11. So we'll do that multiplication next. 3 times 5 is 15. Minus 4 is equal to 11. 15 minus 4 is 11 is equal to 11, which shows that is correct. Okay, our third example is x divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. So you can write that out. X divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, our first step is going to be to get rid of that addition or subtraction. In this case, we do have an addition on the left side, plus 3. So we'll write out x divided by 2 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3. What we do on one side, we have to do to the other side. So that plus 3 minus 3 cancels out. So we're left with x divided by 2 is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so this example is a little bit different than the others. We have x divided by 2 and a fraction is equal to 4. So in this case, we have x being divided by 2. To get that x all by itself, we have to multiply it by 2. And what we do on one side, we have to do to the other side. So those 2's are going to cancel. We're left with x is equal to 4 times 2, which is 8, which is our answer. And our third step is checking that with our original equation. Plugging that solution we get back into our original equation, we're going to have 8 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. 8 divided by 2 is 4, plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is 7 is equal to 7. And with all of these examples, I recommend you pause the video, try them out on your own, and then going back and following the steps I provide. Okay, in our last example, we have minus 5x plus 2 is equal to minus 8, or negative 8. So our first step, like mentioned above, getting rid of that addition, we have minus 5x, negative 5x, plus 2, minus 2, because we have to do the opposite, is equal to minus 8, minus 2. Because what we do on one side, we have to do to the other side. Those 2's are going to cancel. We're left with negative 5x is equal to minus 8 minus 2 is negative 10. Okay, now we have negative 5x is equal to 10, which is negative 5 is being multiplied by x. To get that x all by itself, we're going to divide by negative 5. What we do on one side, we do to the other side. Those negative 5's cancel. We're left with x is equal to negative 10 divided by negative 5 leaves us with 2. And that's our answer. And our third step is plugging that back into our original equation to make sure that's correct, or it's satisfied. So we have negative 5 times 2 plus 2 is equal to negative 8. Doing that multiplication first, we have negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, plus 2 is equal to negative 8. Negative 10 plus 2 is equal to negative 8, which is satisfied. Thank you for watching Math Tutor Hub. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and like to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you and have a great day.